If we don't get out of here, we are done for. Look at these waves. Why'd you end up sleeping out here?
Oh my God, that looks terrifying. What were we thinking?
Dude, look how big the waves are.
Looks scary and overwhelming. Things are getting even more serious. Come on, motor.
Oh, you okay? Oh my God, these are huge.
You okay?
Heading out to camp for the first time. Gonna make it out to the lake and then throw anchor. And we've never taken the barge out there. We've never taken the fire pit or all this weight. We plan on building a top secret device out there. But the one thing we got covered is 21 bags of popcorn.
It makes no sense. Coots is moving the barge over to get in position because we are going on quite the adventure.
How do we push this without blasting this thing all day?
Making a few of the last minute additions. Mark built these two bumpers and then we tied it off. I have zero confidence it will be effective. I'm off to his brother's to go get some additional supplies. I got the thing Mark wanted me to. Look at the babies. Look at the babies.
Look at you. We thought we were about to start our journey, but we forgot to turn on the breaker up top and turn on the charger overnight. So now our battery isn't full and we gotta travel 11 miles to the lake. We're idiots.
And use our microwave to pop popcorn.
We decided to just say, screw it, and we're shoving off. We're gonna charge with the generator while we're going. Hopefully we don't run into a situation where we need a boatload of battery, because we're gonna be gone for a couple days. We got our barge today, so our total vessel length is probably like 30 something feet.
He's trying to push off and twist us like I normally do. A, it's so long I can't turn it, and B, the wind's just pushing it wherever it wants to go anyway. These are good signs for the start of our voyage.
We gotta gun it to get the generator to start going.
There is a huge mechanical flaw in the generator.
I left the choke on. This trip is doomed.
Our little push blocks are working pretty well so far. Looks like we're going 1,000 miles an hour.
How fast are we going right now? 2.9.
If I go too far forward, it's gonna push down the nose and cause more drag, which we don't want. But I do want to show y'all. That will be absolutely pandemonium when we start hitting waves from the lake. We got the life jackets ready. Looks like mating jellyfish. Packing bubbles.
All right.
Gross. This is gonna be the most snug spot for our new extension. A couple of deer come by to watch. Hey fellas. Ah, you made a noise, run. Oh, and we made it through the obstacle as well.
We keep hearing planes. Can't turn on the GoPro fast enough, but they're around.
I want him to buzz the tower. There he is, Coots. I will pay my taxes for that.
There he is. Oh yeah, hard bank. Meanwhile, we're doing firmware updates on our charge controllers, which may be a horrible idea since we're out and we need them. Firmware update complete.
So far the bumpers are working a lot better than I assumed and a little bit worse than Mark assumed. That's about the standard. Got sick of it, we're letting it go.
Banging around too much. Got the new anchor on it. If you're just looking down at it, it kind of looks scary and overwhelming.
I believe the term is thalassophobia.
He just made that up. Barge looks pretty cool.
That just spun us hard.
Oh yeah. I was like, that's huh?
My captain gets disoriented easily.
Very easily.
Initiate docking procedure. Ooh.
Uh-oh. Didn't think this was
Well, things are looking up for me. Picking up my lunkhead captain who forgot to tie off before he jumped onto the deck.
I'm over here.
How'd you get there?
I strategically placed myself. Just let me drive the boat. You do this.
And the boat is safe again.
Coots is the master rigger over here.
Me, I'm not good at anything.
Coots is the master.
I'm not good at anything.
Coots is the master.
I'm not good at anything.
Oh, got a little buddy.
Tie it quickly to there. There you go. That's good enough. Oh, there's some big waves coming. Some rollers. At least we're not on the roof or anything. Now the sun's coming out. Right when they say there's gonna be a lightning storm. There's a boat. All right, let's get off the roof. All right, so our test went okay. I would give it like a 7 out of 10. Not bad for a bunch of idiots. We're gonna start setting up.
Knows how to get a motivational.
We're gonna set up our base camp. Sun's going down in less than an hour. We're gonna throw our other anchor, so if it gets windy, we don't drag it. And then we're gonna make a nice little fire. Don't step on it. Dual anchors down. The wind's blowing this way, so we're probably gonna wanna sit there. Good news is, at least tomorrow we're shedding some weight. We're gonna burn all this wood. He's going to set it on fire. While I'm thinking of it, I'm gonna turn on our lights. So that way we don't get smoked by someone driving a boat at night. Is this one on? Yeah, the newly reinstalled anchor light. We're back, baby. Oh. There we go. I suck at these. Here, you deal with fire. There we go.
Coots is the master.
I'm not good at anything. Put that right there. Set stuff on fire. Come on, fire. We got our fire going.
Boom!
Wind died down. Boom. Sun's going down. Coots is good. Yeah, this ain't bad. Got our little camp set up. How do you feel after a long day's work?
Oh!
We got our new microwave. We're moving on up. Yeah, we've got so much stuff on our tiny little boat. Every time we need to do something, we gotta move everything else. Oh yeah. I don't really do these in the microwave, so we'll see what they say. I'm not good at anything. How many watts does that take? About 1,000 watts. Let's see. Lava? Lava. Dinner is served. So the weather has turned up a little bit. We got some rollers coming at us. We got our fire still going. But it's starting to blow.
The wind. Guts.
There's supposed to be lightning in a couple hours, 30% chance, which is scary.
We did just think to take down our second deck ladder.
Yep, we did, yeah.
And it's super cool out here. It'd be a lot better if it wasn't 30 degrees and possible lightning, but we still got a little blue sky and maybe a star, but things are going well.
Oh, we should do the flashlight test.
Oh my God, that looks terrifying.
What are we? I'm about to get cozy and tuck in for the night.
Yeah, it'll just rock us to sleep, right?
Permanently.
It's getting gnarly out here.
Too violent.
So we're packing up shop and we're gonna go shelter in the river.
Oh, the kayak is wedged in.
Get the box anchor up. Well, that's not terrifying.
Oh my God. Oh, it's so snug. I can't grab it.
All right.
Things are getting even more serious. Come on, motor. How you doing?
I got the box anchor off.
Nice.
One down, one to go. Trying to drive forward a little.
I think it's moving.
Is that working?
Yeah.
Oh my God, these are huge. What were we thinking?
Up.
All right, good work. ready for that barge is gonna start taking a beating.
Yeah.
We're getting the crap kicked out of us right now. The storm picked up. The waves are coming on us. The waves are bashing us from the side.
Whoa.
You okay, good?
Holy crap.
We got maybe like 2,000 feet to go. You okay?
Yeah.
Dude, it's bad out there.
Yeah.
Dude, look how big the waves are. Oh man, these are big ones right here.
I know I'm not visually catching much. Safety first.
I have to talk to this camera
Oh,
here.
okay.
Something on the side where the waves are going. We have a raging fire.
Yeah.
We have a lot of bad ideas, but this is one of our worst. It was a dark and stormy night. Oh man, if we don't get out of here, we are done for. Dude, can you light up the top for me?
That's our goal right in there. That orange triangle is the right side of where we need to be.
Look at these waves! Can you point the left rock? Okay, yeah, I see. Oh god, we're close.
Do not ram into that, please.
Yeah. Where's the left rock? Okay, we got clearance on there. I'm gonna tuck right around this little right thing. And hope to god it's calm.
I think we're losing it.
Yep, it's getting ripped off. Oh yeah.
All right. Nice calm river. Just got done setting up camp. Had the cot set up, the sleeping bag rolled out, and then the rain rolled in.
Perfect timing.
So now we're trying to make a makeshift little hut inside.
All right, come get cozy.
Night night.
I'm taking the top bunk with all this stuff piled over there and there and there and there and there and there and there. Got a microwave at my feet. Coots made himself a nice little bougie electric sleeping bag. Cocoon.
Yeah. My fleece insert.
And we're gonna try and sleep. Wind's kind of moving us around. I just hope we don't drift and hit a boat.
We had to abandon our second camp. Wind and waves and a little bit of poor anchor planning. A lot. Got us to drift.
We're gonna try and anchor here, except for there's concrete everywhere.
Man, it's coming down.
You want to hold this and I'll try to tie off in that.
We're fine right here, right?
Better than where we have been. Third time's a charm. We came down to where there's even less waves. So as long as anyone doesn't see us while they're driving and get super distracted and fly off the road, we should be good here.
Let's try and get some sleep.
That tree right there is what we tied off to last night. Imagine trying to sleep right there and every one of those cars is honking at you and they don't subscribe.
Just waking up.
Here's Coates. It's time for school.
We got a big day planned. Dude, you know what I realized?
I don't know if we have pots and pans to cook. Yeah.
So, looks like more canned food today. Why'd you end up sleeping out here?
Because of all the disgusting noises you made.
This was my bed last night. It was not comfortable whatsoever.
The big day that we had planned was actually to film day 2 of our top secret mission. But if you want to see part 1, then that would be right here. I would advise you to click it. It's a gem. It's a gem. Best in YouTube.